Hi everyone, good evening. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gauhar Ahmed. I'm working as a branch manager with Alliance Capital Immigration. We are the licensed immigration company by Dubai government. We are ICCRC MARA registered. We are dealing in skill immigration for Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and European countries as well. We are doing business immigration, passport programs, and if you want to start your company in any other country, you can start your process with us. There are two options to get your dual nationality second passport. One is donation and another one is investment. So we have both options. If you are looking for the dual nationality to change your passport, to get your passport to save the taxes and to get a visa free travel from worldwide, you can start your process. You can get the information from us, from our company. And if I will talk about our total experience, our management is having more than 15 years of experience in immigration field. We are dealing in different type of programs, different type of immigration programs. So you can contact us anytime. You can take the information from us, whatever you want. And currently, in today's live session, I'm going to discuss about Canada immigration. What are the benefits of Canada permanent residency and how you can apply for Canada PR, because mostly people are applying Canada only. And we are doing Australia immigration, New Zealand, European countries as well. If you are looking for any type of options, you can contact us anytime. Uh, First of all, if anybody is having any question, any comment regarding the immigration, regarding your profile, any question you have, you can drop your comment and I will give you answer one by one. One more thing, I will request everyone share this video to your friends, to your colleagues who are looking for immigration options, and so we can help them out as well. First of all, let me discuss about the Canada permanent residency. What is Canada PR? PR means permanent residency. If you are applying for Canada, so you are going to become the permanent resident of Canada. And if I will talk about the benefits, there are a lot of benefits of Canada PR. You will get free education for your children, free medical, social benefits for your entire family. If you are married, your spouse can work there. You can do your job. You can start your business without any hesitation. And Canada is the very beautiful and very good country for living for the future of your family. If you want to settle down in Canada, so there are different criteria, different system to qualify for Canada permanent residency. So let me give you a little bit information about the latest CIC news as per the latest draw held on, I think before few days. So Manitoba, they have invited 1017 candidates under Express Entry program on June 28, and the score cutoff was 565. The CRS was 565, and they have invited 1017 candidates under this program, under PNP program, for Manitoba to apply for Canada permanent residency. If I will talk about the Manitoba, Manitoba has now issued 4,722 invitations to PNP candidates since 2021. From January 2021, they have issued 4,722 invitations for candidates who are going to apply for Canada permanent residency. So BC PNP Tech Pilot Program. BC means British Columbia. This is a province in Canada. So there is one program that's called Tech Pilot Program. It's for engineers, IT professionals, and recently Tech Pilot draw held on 29 June, and 52 IT professionals they got nomination under this draw. If you are from IT background, you are an engineer from IT sector or some different field as well, you can apply under this program. This is a very good program where you can easily qualify. If you are an engineer, and you can get the information regarding this program if you are looking for immigration option. So this was the draw which held on 29 June for BC PNP Tech Pilot. So if I would talk about the BCPNP, they have issued 5,782 invitations till now to apply for provincial nominations since to start of 2021. So from January 2021, they have issued 5,782 invitations for Canada permanent residency. If I will talk about the total, invitations by Canada government issued since January 2021 till now. The second quarter of 2020 now was another record breaker because lot of people got nomination for Canada permanent residency ITA. Canada has invited 44,591 immigration candidates to apply for permanent residency in second quarter, and residents through the express entry stream, mostly for PNP programs. And the first quarter of 2021, which was 44,124. So as of now, IRCC has issued total of 88,715 ITS for permanent residency. So this is the score from last 6 months. Second quarter they have completed and they have issued near about 88,715 ITS for Canada permanent residency. So if you will see, a lot of people are getting invitations to apply for Canada permanent residency, and this is the best option right now if you are looking for Canada permanent residency. If we will see earlier, before 2021, Canada government they were issuing 100,000 permanent residencies ITS to apply for Canada permanent residency from worldwide, but now they are aiming to welcome 400,000 people from worldwide for Canada permanent residency. So if anybody is looking for Canada permanent residency options, I think this is the best time. You should apply. You should start your process and get settled down in Canada. And to know your eligibility of your profile, to if you want any support from our side, you want to know your profile, are you qualifying, and which are the programs where you can easily qualify. Our professional team are here to help you people. We are here to guide you people. You can contact us anytime. First of all, let me read some comments here. Shahid Khan, UK jobs. Mr. Shahid Khan, UK currently we are not dealing, but yeah, you can get the information regarding UK as well. So I will request you one thing, just share your contact details. So one of my team member will contact you within 2 3 days, and you can take the information whatever you want regarding UK process or some other countries as well. Okay, Asif Khan. Hi, sir. Hi, Mr. Asif. If you have any question regarding Canada or some other country, just drop your comment and I will give you answer. Bhakta Punnagar. How to get Canada working visa? Mr. Bhakta Punnagar, if you want to apply for Canada permanent residency or work permit, actually PR and work permit are two different things. So first we had to know your profile, I mean your experience, your education, then we will guide you. Processing time for Canada permanent residency or work permit, it will take near about minimum 6 to 7 months. 6 months is minimum time. So, and you have to apply for IELTS exam as well. It depends on your profile, how much score you need for IELTS, and ECA verification is necessary. And there are some criteria, some points are there where you can qualify, and step by step our team will guide you. So our team will contact you, they will make you understand. On phone you can do the Zoom call, video call with us. You can do some meeting online with our team, so they will consult you, they will guide you how you can qualify. If you are living in UAE, or in Dubai, you can directly visit our office and you can meet me or one of my team member here, and you can take all the information if you are looking for any options of Canada. So, Mr. Bhatka, I will request to you just share your contact details on my WhatsApp number, or you can directly mail me your profile. One of my team member will definitely contact you within 2 to 3 days, and you will get all the information regarding the Canada permanent residency and how you can apply and what will be the process, how much time it will take, everything. You will get information from my team. Mr. Asif, I am Asif. I work in Dubai. I work as a delivery boy. I have bike license and I want to go to Malta. Yes, Mr. Asif, if you want to apply for Malta, there's a huge demand for bike riders in Malta and we have vacancies. If you are looking for Malta, you just drop your contact details on my WhatsApp number, or you can directly mail me. And you are also living in Dubai, you can directly come to our office and you can meet me here. I will make you understand the process for Malta, how you can qualify, and what will be the process, how much time it will take, what documents we need from your side. Everything, all the information I will give you. You just come to my office, or you can share your contact details on my number, on my WhatsApp number, and one of my team member will contact you, and we will guide you how you can apply and how you can qualify. Sajad Yusuf, great going. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Okay, so let's talk about the Canada permanent residency process. For example, everybody knows that to apply for Canada permanent residency, there are some criteria, some rules are there which everybody has to follow. You need to have minimum bachelor's degree if you want to apply for some programs like PNP program, express entry program, and some other programs as well. Some programs are there where you can qualify. I mean, if you don't have bachelor's degree, you are only 12th pass, metric pass, your education is less, and you don't have more experience like 5 6 years, and you are unable to qualify your IELTS exam with high bands. So there are some programs where you can apply, like AIPP is Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program, and this is there are some Atlantic areas of Canada where you can apply, and this program is very easy and simple. First of all, what we had to do, we had to do your ECA verification, your education qualification, whatever the education you have, if it's bachelor's degree, if it's master's degree, if you have 12th pass above metric certificate, it will be verified by Canada government through some uh, organizations like WES. It will take near over 3 months or 2.5 months. From India, it will take 3 months to get a verification done. Once it will be done, what we will do next, we will apply for your IELTS exam. If you need any training for IELTS, we have some tie-ups with some companies. They will give you very cheap price for IELTS training. If you need any material, we will provide you the free material for reading and some videos, some links where you can check, where you can practice your IELTS speaking, and some other modules as well, like reading, writing, listening, how you can apply for IELTS exam. Everything we will guide you. Once it will be done, then third step will be we are going to create your profile for AIPP, Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. Actually, AIPP, for AIPP program, if you are from any background like engineer, doctor, or some other profession you belong to, so there are different NOC codes. NOC means National Occupational Classification of Canada. So different job profiles, they have different codes. So what we are going to do, we have to create your profile as per Canadian standard. We have to create your profile and mention your experience and everything. Then what we are going to do, we have to create your profile under AIPP program, and we are directly going to target some designated employers in Canada which comes under AIPP program, Atlantic areas. We have another branch in Canada. We are ICCRC registered, and we have two ICCRC lawyers in Canada. What we are going to do, we are going to arrange the interview for you from the company, from the employer. You have to qualify that interview. Once you qualify, then you will get offer letter from the employer. Once offer letter is done, then we are going to apply for your permanent residency. So you can directly apply for PR, and you are going to join your company directly. Where you can need high bands, high score for in IELTS to qualify for this program. One more program is there like RNIP, AIPP, and RNIP program. They are same. Basically, first thing will be your ECA verification. Then next thing will be your IELTS. Then we are going to create your profile and submit for your job application, and we'll arrange the interview for you. Once you qualify the interview, then you will get offer letter. Once you will get offer letter, then we are going to apply for your permanent residency. So if you will see the latest information, what are the programs where mostly people are getting ITA, invitation to apply for Canada permanent residency? If you can check online, cicnews.canada. This is the CME government website where you can get all the information regarding latest draw and programs held in Canada. You can check the latest CRS. What was the CRS of different programs? What was the CRS of previous draw, and how many people they got invitation? What was the professions they got invitation under different programs? So a lot of people are getting invitations under PNP program. PNP is provincial nominee program. Basically, everybody knows that to qualify express entry program, you need to have high CRS, high bands, high comprehensive ranking system. But if you are going to apply for PNP program, there are chances 10 different provinces are there, and 10 different provinces, they have different demands of workers, professionals there in their province. So as per your profile, as per the demand of your profile, you will get ITA means invitation to apply for Canada permanent residency from any province. Once you will get ITA, and then we are going to apply for your Canada permanent residency. Because once you are getting ITA, it means you will get additional 600 point and to increase your CRS. Some people are there currently, they are getting ITA under PNP programs, and their actual CRS is only 280, 250, 300. So you can see a lot of possibilities are there, a lot of programs are there, and a lot of people are getting ITA invitation to apply for Canada permanent residency. So I think this is the best time, best program for everyone, for all the professionals, if you are looking for immigration options to Canada. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are giving free consultation to everyone. We are not charging anything for your consultation. You can directly contact us. You can contact us through WhatsApp, through mail, through landline numbers. You can share us your profile, and my professional team, we have a very good professional team. They have a good experience in immigration background. They will definitely guide you free of cost. We are not charging anything for your consultation. You can take the information. If you are feeling okay, then you can apply for Canada permanent residency. You can, or work permit or LMIs, and you can start the process with us. Our job is to guide you in proper way. We are the company, the licensed immigration company by Dubai government. We have a very good success record. You can check our Google. You can check our Google reviews. The clients, our clients are living in Australia, clients are living in Canada, and we have done business immigration. We are doing passport programs. Everything we are doing genuinely and legally. You can contact us anytime to get the information. If you are feeling okay, then definitely you can start your process with us. One more thing I just want to tell you people, because we are based at UAE Dubai, so there are a lot of companies in the market, very big companies as well, but our working culture is totally different. We are not working like other companies. If you will qualify, if my team or we will come to know that you can qualify for this program for Canada or some other country, then we will suggest you to apply. If we think that you are not qualifying, you have some points, less points, you cannot qualify, so we will never suggest you to waste your time, to waste your money in any process. So that's how we are working. Okay, so working only on genuine things. Okay, if we will come to know that you can qualify for the program, then my team will guide you definitely which programs you are qualifying and why you can qualify easily. So BC PNP Tech Pilot Program. If you are IT professional, if you are engineer, if you belong to any engineering field, you can apply under this program. And this program is for British Columbia. This is a very good program. Some people are there, they are looking for options like without IELTS and without ECA verification, without qualification, without degree. We are getting those type of comments, those type of leads as well sometimes. So there are some programs where you can apply without IELTS, like Yukon YCP. Yukon is the community in Canada. This is the province. YCP is Yukon Community Pilot Program. In this program, you don't need to apply for any IELTS exam. You don't need to apply for ECA verification. You can easily apply under this program and you can qualify. It depends on your profile as well and the demand of your profile as well. You will directly get your work permit within 5 months. Only 6 months is the maximum. 7 months we can say maximum time where you can get your work permit and you can directly move to Canada and start your work there. If I will talk about Canada, there's a lot of demands in different provinces. You can check online as well. So due to this COVID-19, everybody knows that in every country the economic situation is very less. So Canada is also very big country, so there is a lot of demand of different profiles like doctors, engineers, different professionals. So if you want to apply, this is the best time to apply. They want to increase the economic situation of Canada, and they want to increase the employment in Canada in different provinces. So a lot of employers are there who are really looking for to hire people outside Canada. If you are looking for immigration options to Canada, just contact us, drop your profile, send us your message directly on our mail ID. You can contact us anytime, and our team will definitely guide you in proper and genuine way. Okay, so apart from this, we are dealing for Australia. If you are looking for Australia immigration, You can contact us for Australia as well. If you are looking for New Zealand, you can apply for New Zealand with us. You can take the information about New Zealand as well. So if I will talk about the Europe, in Europe we have some countries where we are dealing like Malta and Poland. I got one comment here from Mr. Asif, and Mr. Asif is looking for Malta job. He is a bike rider in Dubai. So we have demand for bike riders as well. We have different demand in different professions in Malta. If you're looking for Malta to migrate to Malta, you can contact us. I have a different demand right now. I have a lot of vacancies for Malta. You can contact us anytime. My team will guide you, and you can get all the information how you can start your process with us for Malta. And Poland, I have Poland. Let's talk about Malta first. The processing time for Malta is very easy. Like Canada, for Canada you have to apply for English test or French test and your ECA verification for your education. But for Malta, you don't have to apply for any language test, no verification for your education. It's easy and simple process. Maximum time is 4 to 5 months to get your work permit with your job. Malta is very good country. There is a good demand in Malta as well. Different jobs are there in Malta. You can easily apply for Malta, and you can start your career there in Malta, and you can earn very good income. It's the good country for your future. Then you can move to any other country as well if you want. And another country I have right now, that's Poland. We are dealing in Poland as well. Poland is very good country. It's a part of Europe as well, and a lot of people are applying for Poland. So mostly there are blue collar jobs because Poland government is going to issue the work permit for blue collar jobs only. So Poland, we have different demand in different profiles. If you are looking for Poland options, definitely you can contact us anytime. We have a huge demand in different sector. Different profiles are in demand. We have different jobs available right now for Poland. You can contact me anytime. My team will contact you, and they will guide you how you can apply for Poland, you don't have to apply for language tests as well, like Malta, and you don't have to apply for any education qualification tests. But your qualification should be more than metric because you should understand little bit English. You should talk in English, should understand little bit English, because once you are getting your job offer, there is no interview for your job. You will get directly job offer from the company. Then we'll apply for your work permit. You will get work permit. Then we are going to create your appointment for visa. Then there will be one visa interview in embassy. If I will talk about the UAE, there is a Poland embassy in Abu Dhabi. You have to visit there, and there will be one visa interview. That interview will be in English. That's why you need some education. You should understand some English. You should speak some English. So there will be some interview. They will ask you some questions. Basically, they're going to check your job offer, your work permit, is it genuine or not. First, to get the appointment for your visa for Poland, if your work permit is valid, then only you will get the appointment for a visa. If it's not valid, you will not get appointment. Okay, it's online now. Before it was working like that, but now it's not working. If your work permit is genuine, then you will get appointment for your visa. Then you have to visit the embassy with your job offer and your work permit. They will ask you some questions here where basically they want to check your mindset, why you want to go there, do you have any plan to settle down there forever or not. Okay, then they will ask you some questions, and we are guiding you, we are providing you some material. uh, we are providing you some material as well, whatever questions they will ask you, and you can visit to the embassy. Then you will get visa, then you can move to Poland as well. You can start your career there. One more thing, you are getting TRC, temporary residence card, in Poland for 3 years. Once you will get your TRC, then you can move anywhere to European country. You can start your job in another country if you have any other option. Like if you want to apply for any country, if you are getting any offer in different countries like Germany or some other European country, you can move to that country easily, legally, not illegally. Legally you can move. You have to serve notice period for 1 month to the current employer, then you can move. One more benefit is there, you can do multiple jobs at a time. It's not like UAE or some other Gulf countries. Like if you are working with one employer, you have to work with one only. But in European countries, it's legal. You can work for with 2 to 3 multiple employers if you have a time. If you have free time, you want to do a part-time job, you can easily start your job in any other company, and you can earn a good income. One more thing, you can sponsor your family if your salary is above 1,500 euro. Okay, and residency you are getting after 5 years. You are eligible to apply for residency after 5 years. So that's how we are working, and we are dealing all the programs, whatever the profession you have. Okay, we have all the options. So I will request everyone, if you are looking for any option, just contact us anytime, and we will definitely guide you, and we'll give you the exact and real information if you are looking for. Mr. Ajit. Hi Ajit, good evening. How are you? I hope you are doing great. Your profile is under process. Ajit, he applied for Canada. He's a nurse. Yes, Ajit, you are getting the update from my team, and inshallah, you will get a good news from Canada as well soon. Okay, thank you so much, Ajit. If anybody is having any question, just drop your comment. I will give you the answer. So after some time, I had to finish this live session, and one more thing I will request everyone, just share this video to your friends, to your colleagues who are looking for immigration options. The genuine process, and the exact information we are giving to our clients, to our applicants, to anyone. You can try anytime, you can contact us anytime. You can follow us on our Instagram to get the latest information. You can follow us on LinkedIn to get the latest information. You can follow us on TikTok as well. We recently started TikTok to give some information in 1 minute video to our clients, to the applicants as well. So you can start your process anytime. You can take all the information from our side free of cost. We are not charging anything from anyone. So finally, thank you so much for joining today's live session. I will request everyone, share this video to your friends, to your colleagues who are looking for immigration options. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. Thank you, guys.